In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use TikTok voice effects. So voice effects on TikTok are pretty cool. So let me just get straight into how you would use the voice effects on TikTok. So from any screen on TikTok, you can go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the bottom in the center. That's going to take you to the create a TikTok screen. And I can just go ahead and start recording a quick TikTok video just like this. So I'll just let it play for a little bit longer, and that's fine. So I'll let go of the record button, and then I will tap on the tick mark at the bottom right, and this is my video right here. And you can see on the right hand side of the recorded video it says filters, then adjust clips, and then voice effects. Go ahead and tap on voice effects, and now it says voice effects will be applied to your recording and original audio. So let me just put the audio on. So you can select all these voice effects like chipmunk, baritone, mic, megaphone, and things like that, robot. So let me just select the chipmunk voice effect just like that, and then I'll go ahead and put the audio on. I don't know if you can hear that. And that would be the chipmunk voice effect. Let me do one more like the robot, and now the robot effect has been applied, so I can put the volume back up. And once you're happy with your voice effect that you applied, you can simply just tap on the screen where it's recorded, and it will take you back into the editor. Then you can tap on next at the bottom right, and then you can go through the posting process of posting your TikTok as you would normally do. So that is how you can use the voice effects on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.